Well, hello YouTube. Our objective in this tutorial will be to transfer a string from lowercase to uppercase. We will do a little bit of integer shifting here and there. Don't worry, it will not be anything complicated. So first thing, because we are working with strings, we're gonna include string header because we need strlen function to get length of that string. Basically, it's not full string like a sentence, it's just a word in this case. So let's do that. First, we will establish that string. For example, name will be some string up till 100 characters. It will be blank at the moment. We are going to get it through keyboard. And then inside the for loop, we will need that x as a counter, let's say. So let's grab stuff from end user as always, enter the string or word, a little bit of new line, scanf. This time we will not use C or D, we must use %s because we are working with strings, and we will put that into some string. But here you don't need to use ampersand, okay? You can use ampersand, but you will get warning down there. So it will work without ampersand when you are dealing with word. Okay, so much about data. So now we're gonna start with the for loop. So that x will be 0. So this is a starting point, and then upper point must be smaller or equal than length of that string. How we are going to get it? Well, in string.h we have strlen function, and we are targeting that specific string. Okay, so this is targeted, this is function. And of course, we must say x++ because we don't want to skip any kind of characters here. So here's the thing. Now inside we're going to have if check. If some string, okay, at position x is bigger or equal to 97. And I'm going to explain why 97. If you go to ASCII table on internet, rapidtables.com or something else, it's not important. It is important that it is ASCII table. You will see that lowercases start from 97 and they end up with 122 with a z. So what we need to do is detect all those numbers, integers from 97 to 122 that represent lowercase characters. When we detect that, then we will transfer all those things to integers that are less for 32. Why 32? Because 97 is for lowercase and 65 is a start, new start. It is uppercase A. So when you go to lowercase to uppercase, the difference, the starting major difference is 97 minus 65, which will give you 32. Minus 32 if you are transferring from lowercase to uppercase, or reverse if you're going from uppercase to lowercase. But let's stick with the lowercase to uppercase for now. So first detection. This is a low point, and then we must also say, where is that thing on the keyboard? And some string x must be less or equal, if you remember, from 1 to 2. 1 to 2, why? Because this is a z. So from 97 is detection to 1 to 2. Okay, that's what we need to detect. And if this is the true, if that range is a true, then we are going to fix all these x's, and those x's are characters inside a string. So we are transferring them individually. Some string equals previous string. So this is string right now. This is uppercase. And uppercase is equal to some string, which is a lowercase string, a past string, minus 32, because we go to negative. 97, if you remember, minus 65 is a difference 32, but minus 32. And this is basically uppercase, and this is lowercase. How to get uppercases? Well, lowercase minus 32. I think you get this. And after that, we are going to, well, we will just print that thing. Printf uppercase n, and we are printing that string, so s, and we are connected that with real stuff, which is some string in that moment of time. Okay, I think this is cool. So where I was, yeah, I think it's cool, everything is cool. So problem, expected this bracket before that thing. Let me see what I'm missing here. Right, this thing, I think. One more time, and again problem. Oh right, some string, but that specific x. I always forget that. So we're talking about individual characters inside a string. So this x represent individual character, guys, individual character inside that big string. Okay, right. So remember, I'm talking about word here, not full sentence like big string, just word. So lowercase hack the planet, and there you go, hack the planet is uppercase now. Very simple stuff. But this solution is not suitable if you have like a full string, like some big sentence. So this thing here will just grab some, and big sentence will be basically unused leftover. Right. So this is the case. Maybe you want to pay attention to that. Okay, let me test that one more time. Blah. Well, there you go. There you go. This is lowercase to uppercase. I think you get this. Right, yet another thing. Remember about this header, if we don't use it, if we put it in the comment section, we start this stuff, we can say hack the planet, and we will get the result, but down there we're gonna have a warning on position 12. So this is the problem. See, implicit declaration of function strlen. So that's the problem. If you wanna remove that warning, then just activate that header and everything will be fine. So test, blah 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 blah. There you go. Okay guys, thank you for watching, thank you for support and subscription, share this channel with other people, you're gonna help them, you're gonna help me, and see you in the next tutorial. Maybe not this evening, maybe in tomorrow morning, because I'm tired as hell. Thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao ciao.